Buju, Melinda Nadijnakas. Welcome to Waasamoogikinwaa'amaading, which is our Ojibwe word for online learning and teaching. Now, this name was chosen prior to the COVID-19 pandemic for our plan to offer a small regional in-person conversation for how best to serve students at tribal colleges in the digital age. Now, this is a little bit bigger because we're able to invite all of you due to our online format. Now, for shorthand, we've been calling this gathering Waasamoog, the word for lightning. And given our lightning transition to emergency online teaching last spring, it seems fitting. Today, I want to show you some of the navigation tricks for the website during the conference. Now, when we start, when you go to our webpage, you're on the home page, this home tab here. Anytime you wish to return, just hit this home button. The next important piece is the agenda. And when you click on the agenda, it's going to show up here. We don't have any concurrent sessions, so everything is going to be sequential. And we start with our opening keynote address on Wednesday, April 14th, and we will conclude on Thursday afternoon. So if we look at the schedule, you're going to see some dress rehearsals here, but unless you're a speaker, you don't have to worry about those, and they won't show up on your agenda. So the primary part here is Wednesday and Thursday. Now, the agenda is actually linked to these sessions. So this is a very good way to get in and view the session. Now, sessions won't open until about a minute before the scheduled time. And so this countdown will be closer to 0, and then a button will appear in order to join the meeting. Now, if you're curious who's going to be in each session, you can look at the agenda and click on their names. But we also have a sequential order of the abstracts and talk titles on our abstracts page. If you scroll to the bottom, there's a downloadable PDF of the works that are going to be presented. We'll have a poster gallery, information about our college, and a help desk. This help desk has a live support chat where someone from our staff will be able to assist you right away. Also included is a inbox. And so you can have a private conversation with someone. Like if I were to pick another user, I could start a conversation here, and that will show up in your inbox. So if you have a message, it'll be visible on the screen. With the People tab, you can see everybody who's attending the conference or is registered for the conference to get an idea of the scope and breadth of the information we're going to be able to share. With that, I think you are ready to go. If you need any help, don't hesitate to use the help desk. That's what we're here for. I wish you the best conference and truly welcome you to join this conversation. Miigwech, mi you.